Okay, so now let us take a look at this question over here. So what this question says that in the diagram OP is parallel to NQ. Now this is the symbol for parallel lines. Okay, so OP is parallel to NQ. The MSN is a straight line. The angle MOP is equal to 53 degrees, and the angle SNQ is equal to 138 degrees. Now we are looking for the angle OMS. So OMS is going to give us this angle. Now for simplicity, let me label that angle as maybe A. Okay, so I label that angle as A. Now this line is parallel to this line. I can extend this line over here a bit like this. So I have two parallel lines. These are two parallel lines. Okay, now you realize that this angle over here corresponds with this angle. They are corresponding angles. So therefore this angle is 138 degrees because corresponding angles are the same. Then now I can take this straight line. Over here. Now we know that the sum of the angles on the straight line is supposed to give me 108 degrees. So therefore, if this is 138 degrees, then I can have this angle over here as 42 degrees. So that the 42 plus the 138 will give me 180. So I can have the proper diagram drawn out like this. So this angle corresponds with this angle, and angles on a straight line. So if I know this, then this should be 42. So that when I add them, I get 180. So now from that, you realize that I have a triangle. So this is a triangle over here. Now from this triangle over here, we know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So meaning the A plus 42 plus 53 is equal to 180. So I have A plus 42 plus 53 is equal to 180. That is the sum of the interior angles of a triangle. So I solve for my A. I get A is equal to 85 degrees. And that is going to be the answer for this question. So the angle OMS is equal to 85 degrees.